Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing this QX RGB, which are actually a little bit of quite a special unicycle. They don't conform to many of the unicycle standards. So what we're going to do is get it all out of the box and let you guys actually have a look at it. Let's get started there. You don't realise we're up in our little mez in the warehouse, a little bit of a different location than what we used to. So what we got first? Oh, probably a good fitting point. This is the seat post. Bring you in a little bit closer and you can see that. So like I was saying, the RGB stuff doesn't meet to many of the unicycle standards because this seat post is actually a 31.6mm seat post. So it's quite a fat diameter tube. QX do this to make it so it's light but then still retains some sort of strength. Then we have the QX 11 saddle. So this is the saddle that was done in conjunction with Chris Home. So bring you in a bit closer, you can see that. It's actually quite a nice saddle with the black and yellow. Obviously it's basically a Chris Home saddle underneath, but QX put their foam and use all Chris Home saddle on that one. So them two together would look quite nice little thing. What else have we got in here? I think this is the frame. That's my knife. As well, all the RGB stuff is all anodized in unique colours. So this is obviously the blue one that we've got out of the box. As you can see how chunky that diameter tube is. That requires a 34.9 seat post clamp, so very unique, and it's got the nice tab for the brake and cable and stuff, and obviously not a lot in that. It's like really light. I'll flash up a weight on the screen now for the actual weight of the whole unicycle, and then the big bit, the wheel. So this is a 29 RGB that we're unboxing here. So it's got that nice Maxxis tire on it, the Minion one, and obviously it's got their Q-axle system. So it's like a splined crank with a two-piece hub. So the hub is one piece of aluminium and there's a spindle through the middle of it that obviously you cranks and that bolt onto, again making it very light. So this wheel set for a 29 with a big knobbly tire is not that heavy. And then what else have we got? Final box. Keep going in my pocket from the night and I keep putting it down. What else have we got? So these come with normal plastic pedals, almost identical to the ones that come on Nimbus and the Impact range. And then this is the big 34.9 seat post clamp. So obviously this wouldn't go on any other unicycle, but they've nicked from the bike industry. It's quite a nice little clamp. There's like quite all nicely machined out. So just sit on top of the frame like that. It's quite nice, that, isn't it? And then you get your disc brake. I won't take that out of the bag, there's no point, it's just a regular disc brake. And some quite nice instructions on how to put it together. I'll grab that camera and we'll go in a bit closer here. And so there you go, that's pretty much all that you get in the box in this RGB. It's quite a nice hub and disc combo. They match the floating rotor bit in the middle to the hub, so that looks quite nice. And obviously the saddle and pedals and stuff, and then that lovely big frame. That's quite nice, that. Yeah, very nice unicycle. And there you go, just a quick unboxing video just so you can actually see these things in a bit more detail. Obviously a picture on the website can only show you so much, but it's quite a nice unicycle. If you've got any questions about this unicycle or any of the products that we have in stock at the moment, please shot them in the comments below. And that classic YouTuber thing, can you like, share, subscribe? It changes every time I ask you, but for me, stood on top of the mezz in our little warehouse, thank you for watching. Cheers, guys.